Hi guys, today we'll be making bookmark. It's very quick and easy to make, and you can make it with any kind of paper, origami as well as A4 sheet or anything. Here I have explained two methods. Let's get started with the first method. Here I have used a square sheet. It can be of any size. It depends upon how big or small you want to make. Turn the sheet in a diamond shape. Now taking the bottom portion, hold it to upward and it should join. Now taking the corner which we have just connected with the other end, we'll fold it into half and press it properly. Now taking the edge of the right hand side, we'll connect to the top of the angle by folding it and press it again. The right side angle just now which we have folded. Now we'll open the gap which is already created. We'll fold it inside and tuck it in. Now we'll do the same as what we have done for the right hand side, we'll do for the left hand side of the angle. Ta-da! Our bookmark is ready. Now you can do whatever decoration you want. I'm making sweet, cute kind of smiley. You can use sketch pen, markers or pen, black pen, colorful pens or anything to make whatever you want, or paints. Here I have used marker and pencil colors to give the colors and the shading. Go and explore yourself and try something new, whatever you want. Here I have used white pen to highlight the eyes, or you can use acrylics or any kind of white pen to highlight. And we are done with our first bookmark. Let's start with our second method. Now we'll start with our second method. In this I have used a A4 sheet and I am using a scale and a pencil. Here we will be creating 3 boxes which will be measuring 3 inches into 3 inches. We will be using the corner of the sheet. My scale is of 6 inches, so just for checking, I'm checking like 3 inches and 3 inches is 6 inches, right? So I'm just checking whether it's correct or not. Now we have 3 boxes. Leaving the middle box, corner boxes will make an angle line, means from edges to edges. And using a scissor, we'll cut the edges. After cutting, this is how it looks. Now using a scale, we will fold the lines which is visible, just will make a crease. Fold the first portion and we'll put glue, and using the second portion we'll stick it on. Again, using any sketch pen or marker, you can draw whatever you want. I'm drawing a panda, so it's totally up to you what you want to create. You can create anything, whatever you want. I have cut some small black ears for the panda. I will just stick it with the user glue. And as I have said before, you can use anything, white marker or paint or pen, anything just to highlight the eyes. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And please do like my videos. Thank you.